How to replace the exhaust hanger on a 2000 through 2005 Buick Lesabre. This vehicle has 3 of them, 2 in the middle rear, and 1 after the muffler. When replacing the ones at the middle rear, do 1 at a time, and obviously this one requires some attention. To begin, remove this bolt. Use a 15mm socket. The bolt is connected to a nut that's welded onto this bracket, and this bracket is welded onto the subframe. Leave the bolt threaded in a little bit. Spray some WD-40 onto the rod. Usually I use the Lyle exhaust system removal pliers, part number 38350. But in this case, the fork of the tool is too small. There's a rim on the rod that's gonna block it, so that makes this tool useless. We're gonna have to improvise. This is a pair of hose grip pliers. This is a generic Harbor Freight set. They come in a pack of 3. This is the middle size. What I do is I come in from the rear. I don't care if I damage the insulator. It's gonna get changed. Once I get it in there, I use the rim as a leverage point. And there you go. Remove this unique bolt. And there you have it. Clean the area of the WD-40. For the replacement piece, you're going to spray some soapy water into one of the holes. That should provide some lubrication for you to slide it over the rod. Not too bad, right? See? Slid right in. Put your bolt back in and you're going to torque it to 22 foot-pounds. Thread it in by hand first because you do not want to cross-thread that nut. Moving on to the hanger after the muffler. This is essentially the same thing, except instead of a bolt, you have a nut. Use a 15mm socket to remove it, and use the same method to separate the hanger from the rod. That nut is torqued to 22 foot-pounds, and it shouldn't be that difficult. There's plenty of space. Now let's talk parts. There's a big hanger and a small hanger. The big one is AP8161, and the small one is AP8106. The 2000 through 2002 Buick Lesabre has 2 big hangers in the middle rear and a small hanger after the muffler. The 03 to 05 Buick Lesabre has 3 small hangers all around. So keep that in mind. I hope you learned something. Have a good day.